Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, trip computer, clock, compass, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.